Video 5 deals with how to alter your plan view label settings so you go from the default, as you see here on the right, to something more descriptive as seen here on the left. Now we'll show you how to do that. We'll go into the actual program, and first we want to point out that this particular pipe was created in Precision3D but exported as a sewer file. So it can be drawn if you set the correct sewer file. This is the one for that particular pipe. It can be drawn not by Dynamiccad, but more deliberately by this command, draw sewer network plan view. And it just redrew it there right over top in its form as seen. Now if we want to evolve it to this form, we can go to plan view label settings, and let's very quickly evolve all of these. We're not going to plot the structure name. We want to plot the invert elevation. For culverts, always use invert out. Always use invert out. Add it to the right, go to setup, and just change it to this form, INV period, and label on new row is fine. And that invert out refers to the invert elevation as if it was a manhole that might have a different in and out. A culvert pipe has only one invert elevation, which is the out elevation. And then go to the pipe labels and click on size, click on length, and put the size above the pipe, and with a inch suffix put the length below the pipe with a foot suffix, and label the material above the pipe, size and type, and label the slope below the pipe, length and slope, and use the at symbol. No need for any prefix ahead of it or suffix after it, and the percent symbol. And also down here, draw the pipe as a width based on its actual pipe diameter, and there it is. It's been altered that way, and then you can, for delivery purposes, pick and move that to a new position, and it gets exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's illustrate this in the form of Dynamiccad. If we drop into Dynamiccad, and we'll just use this particular tin file, we'll drop in, and with those settings done, if we come in here and quickly run our storm event, storm events will uncover and reveal where all of your water is pooled up and needs to be drained with culvert pipes, but in both of these roadside ditches, in this ponding area here to the left, and in this target area that we're focused on. And here I'm going to put in whatever pipe size works for this particular pond. And the way you do that is you simply click the culvert command, snap to those low point snaps in the pond. Be sure your water's going, your pipe's going downhill. Look at it in the upper left. You can also see it on the map. It's now going down 1.8. You can see the outflow of the water. Here's close to 1. You can actually change it to -1. And then, if you go back to the CAD, you'll notice it's actually drawn with that format that we just set up in the program.